We have the Apple logo, for instance. It is not conceptual, it is just an ordinary mark. Of course, you know that they don't sell apples, but the symbol is in the form of an apple. Hi guys, my name is EKD. Welcome to my channel. From graphics design to motion graphics, from branding to logo designs, all I do is to simplify your design learning process. You can trust me on that. I provide awesome tutorials that will help you learn fast. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and share. Welcome once again to this channel. Enjoy. What is a logo? A logo is a symbol that represents a brand. Understand? It's just a symbol that represents a brand that can stand for the brand any day, anytime, anywhere. So what do we mean by a conceptual logo? A conceptual logo is typically a logo that, when designed, the uniqueness of the company is embedded on the logo. That unique character of the company. Examples of logos that are conceptual and logos that are not conceptual. We have the Apple logo, for instance. It is not conceptual, it is just an ordinary mark. Of course, you know that they don't sell apples, but the symbol is in the form of an apple. Although they derived the concept from it later, but the designer didn't intend to derive that kind of concept from it. So we have other logos that are conceptual, like this one. Now, if you see it, you just know that it's a streaming company. You don't need to be told that this company streams video. You understand? So there are other ones. You can also see this one. You do not need to be told what they do. You can already guess what they do. It's not very necessary, but it is really nice having conceptual logos. I've done quite a lot. Whenever I'm designing a logo, in fact, I want it to be conceptual, because with that, it is going to last better. What do I mean by that? Have you seen some kind of logos that are difficult to redesign? They can last for years, like the NIKE SWOOsh. It symbolizes speed, agility, all that stuff. So it is conceptual. And if you know, it has been difficult to redesign this logo. Even when it was redesigned, it's just a little difference and other. Logos without concepts, they are very easy to do away with. Why is it like that? It's because there's a deep meaning to it. There's a deep meaning to it. How do we get to generate these concepts? Because every designer's wish is to just develop something that is mind-blowing, brilliant, a brilliant idea and other. But it's not very easy to, if not every logo you see will just be presenting something. So what are the steps to generating a conceptual logo? Digest. Take in the brief, swallow the brief, become the brand. Just like you digesting food and later the parts of food becomes nutritious. So those things you digested, they become useful to you generating the concept. For instance, I worked with this brand. The name of the brand is Jewel Empire actually. They are into naturals. What I mean by naturals, they are into skincare products. Okay, I talked to the client. This is a normal process. Okay, you get information, but I tried digesting it. What does this person want? What does the brand represent? If not, it's very easy to do logos that are not conceptual. It's very easy, I tell you. So I was able to achieve this. You might not necessarily get it at first sight, but when you begin to look closer, first of all, you see a J, then you find an E on top, which is Jewel Empire. And you can see it's very simple and very modern, but yet it depicts what the brand represents. Empire represents a kingdom, you know. I get some designers saying, okay, how will I put this? How will I put this? How will I put that? How will I put this? How will I put this? What you need to do is to digest it. So watch out for the next video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. All right. Share this video to your friends. I want you to also comment what you feel about today's tutorial. All right. So bye. I remain EKD.